Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on a HP Photosmart 7510. This is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself using nothing but this little touchscreen you can see here. So from the home screen of the printer, you need to go into setup from the little spanner icon up there. And then we want to go into tools, which is the second option down. And you'll see here, clean cartridges is the third option. So press to go into that. And this will take your printer a few minutes of clicking and whirring as it pushes fresh ink through the printer's printhead to hopefully dislodge any dried or congealed ink that has found itself there. And when the clean is complete, your printer will automatically print out a test page that'll hopefully look a little bit better than this. And what you've got here is a whole bunch of characters showing your printer's ability to print in black in various different sizes. And then at the bottom here, we've got a whole series of colour boxes showing cyan, magenta, yellow. And I believe from memory that these are meant to be a mix of colours. So you can largely kind of ignore those because your printer doesn't use dedicated cartridges for those colours, just the cyan, magenta, yellow and black. And from here, you can do more cleans and more test pages until you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality, which I'm about to do now. Please do leave a like if you found this video useful. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.